Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious and yummy chicken wrap. So stay tuned and let's get started, okay? Some of the ingredients I used are my wrap, some chicken breast, my veggies, my bonnet pepper, and some salad cream, curry powder, soy sauce, and my aromat all-purpose seasoning, some ginger powder, black pepper, table salt, and a pan to stir fry my veggies and my chicken. So right now I'm just going to add my spice and mix my chicken and leave it to sit for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm just going to mix everything properly so my chicken will have that nice taste. So right now I'm going to fry my chicken. So guys, please, if you love this recipe, if you love my channel, please don't forget to hit the red button that says subscribe, and please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you all. So at this moment my chicken is already cooked. Right now I'm going to add my onion, my red bell pepper and green bell pepper and my bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to stir fry them for like 5 minutes. Right now I've just added my spice to my veggies and I'm going to stir fry them until it's a bit cooked, because I don't want it to be very soft. I just want to stir fry it for like maximum 5 minutes. So guys, please, if you love this recipe and you tried making it and it tastes very nice, please don't forget to drop a comment and let me know, okay? Some other things you can use to make your wraps: you can use just only veggies if you like. You can use some tuna and make your tuna wrap. They all taste very nice. I bet you're going to enjoy this recipe if you give it a try. It's very easy to make and it's very yummy as well. So right now I'm just adding my lettuce, my veggies, and I'm adding some chicken. So I'm going to add some salad cream. You can also use your mayonnaise if you don't have salad cream. Or you can use some avocado. It tastes very nice if you make like some avocado cream and you just use it to like rub your wrap before putting your veggies and your chicken. It tastes more very nice if you should use your avocado. I tried using some avocado, but my avocado was very bad, so I have to like throw it away. So right now I'm going to make the other wraps. So guys, You can try this recipe and make it for your kids as a pack lunch, or you can also make this for your husband as a pack lunch to work. And even the husband, you can make this for your wife. I bet you they are going to enjoy it. Okay, and this is very very nice and yummy because it's packed with lots of veggies, and it's very very easy to make. So as you can see, I have to like wrap the bottom side before flipping up the wrap so as to secure it from opening. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button and subscribe. And please turn on your notification bell so when I post new video, you know, as I'll be posting yummy recipes every week. Guys, I'll be posting new videos every week, so please stay tuned so you see when I post new videos. Okay, so right now I have to secure the bottom side. Okay, so right now I have to like wrap one part of it, then I will roll it and make sure it's a bit tight and roll it more. That's it guys, very simple and easy to make. So that's my chicken wrap out there. Okay guys, as you can see, this looks very very nice and yummy. It's packed filled with healthy vegetables and chicken. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Till I see you on my next video. Bye.